Hi everyone, it's Alex from Risk Academy, and I wanted to share my vision for the Changing Risk initiative that StrategicRISK magazine is currently running. And I've been talking about this for so long, and I think every year we're getting closer and closer. My dream is that risk management associations, risk management bodies of knowledge, risk management societies all over the world start spending less time developing risk as a profession and just kind of mixing within the risk community and doing events just for ourselves, doing publications just for the risk managers, which they've been doing for years. And some have been doing it better, some have been doing a worse job, but we've been doing this for so long, and clearly this does not work that well. My dream is for the organizations and individuals responsible for the developing of thought leadership in risk is to spend at least half of their time talking to other associations, other parts of the business. So for example, this is what we've been doing for the last year. Last year we started working with the Institute of Internal Auditors in Russia, and we started doing joint events and we started doing joint training, because teaching internal auditors how to audit risk management effectiveness and asking the right questions, not asking for heat maps and risk registers, but asking the right questions, is so much more powerful. Last year we started working with the Institute of Independent Directors, because having an audit committee member asking the right questions about risk-based decision making, how risk is linked to strategy, is the company taking the right risks, is so much more powerful than teaching 100 risk managers that strategy needs to be linked to risk management. Which is obvious. This year we're starting to work with another Institute for Independent Directors, and this year we started working with the Institute for Internal Control Specialists, because people that have kind of similar activities, or that are the decision makers, can benefit from risk management just as much as the risk managers can. And in fact, if any of you want to make risk managers' life easier, then convince the board members, decision makers, CFOs, CEOs, CIOs to consider risk, to include risk in the decision making. That will be so much more powerful. So this is my vision for changing risk. I wish we as risk professionals can spend more time working with other parts of business, working with the decision makers directly, as opposed to just kind of having our own little community where every year we convince each other that heat maps should not be 3x3, they should be 5x5, 4x4, and so on. I think we can do so much better than that. And this year, for example, we are starting to build relationship with some of the certification bodies for finance professionals. So CFOs, finance directors, finance analysts are including risk analysis in their budgeting, in their investment planning, and so on. So I hope you pick up some of that in your country, and this is my personal vision for changing risk.